kemungkinan besar yang lolos itu ya hanya Irak, Vietnam, Indonesia saja. Dan untuk Irak sudah lolos. Dan kita Indonesia ini lebih banyak, kemungkinan lebih banyak ya untuk lolos ke round 3 daripada Vietnam. Apalagi kita bertanding di home. Dan kemarin pun sama, untuk lawan Irak isi pertandingan kita tidak kalah jauh juga lawan Irak kemarin. Jadi mohon kepercayaannya dari masyarakat Indonesia kepada para timnas kita.
상황보다 다른 실시간 다른 모습을 보여주고 있고 분명히 우리는 3차 진출할 것이고 내일 빅뱅이로 좋은 일 하면서 할 것이고 믿어주시면 됩니다.
Memang banyak pertanyaan tentang masalah Olimpik kemarin. Sebenarnya coach saja tidak bisa tidur ya, gara-gara merasa tidak adil dan kita nggak bisa mendapatkan tiket lolos ke Olimpiade kemarin. Mungkin ya coach bisa bicara kepada para pemain bahwa sudah bagus bermain, dan kita memang layak untuk lolos harusnya, tapi tidak begitu nyatanya. Dan untuk di grup kita saat ini memang kemungkinan besar yang lolos itu ya hanya Irak, Vietnam, Indonesia saja. Dan untuk Irak sudah lolos. Dan kita Indonesia ini lebih banyak, kemungkinan lebih banyak ya untuk lolos ke round 3 daripada Vietnam. Apalagi kita bertanding di home. Dan kemarin pun sama, untuk lawan Irak isi pertandingan kita tidak kalah jauh juga lawan Irak kemarin. Maksudnya tidak begitu khawatir untuk pertandingan yang ini, karena kita pasti akan siap untuk mendapatkan tiket round 3 juga, dan motivasi cukup ada buat kita sendiri. Kalau lihat kondisi para pemain di lapangan, pada kerja keras dan menunjukkan yang terbaik juga, jadi pastinya kita akan lolos ke round 3 kualifikasi Piala Dunia. Jadi mohon kepercayaannya dari masyarakat Indonesia kepada para timnas kita.
뭐 사실 아주 큰 실수를 했다고 저도 생각을 하고 있습니다. 그래서 승자하기 위해서는 실수를 하면서 생각하기 때문에 거기에 대해서 크게 문제 삼지 않을 것이고 마음을 잘 준비하고 있습니다.
Memang kemarin melakukan kesalahan fatal, meskipun mengakuinya. Tetapi dengan kesalahan tersebut ya pemain bisa berkembang jadi lebih baik. Jadi coach tidak mempermasalahkan kesalahan tersebut. Lalu ya telah bersepak baik juga.
Should I translate to the first question? The question from India. It seems like the similar situation same as under 20 Asia. This is like the last chance for Indonesia. Tomorrow's match would be the last chance to go to the next stage. Probably the players, are dealing with pressure and how they are preparing now and about mentality also, how they prepare well. So the answer from Coach Shin. So you guys keep mentioning about the little things. It's a bit shame, and I'm actually not happy with it. Sometimes I got the insomnia because we did well and players were making a huge amount of effort. Still we didn't get a reward. So I just always told the player, okay, well done, you guys played well, so I give them praise. Regarding qualifiers. In our group, the three teams are actually mainly competing each other, Iraq and Indonesia and Vietnam. Obviously, we have more possibility to go to next stage, Jordan and Vietnam. And especially the last match against Iraq, I think we didn't lose in terms of the statistic and also the quality of the game. So the players are doing well. This is our home match. The players who have high levels of motivation, confidence, their training attitude is fantastic. They really try hard. So I don't really actually I don't get any wrong things, we are surely going to the next stage. So please trust us. We will have a good performance against the Philippines. So the next question about Nando made a mistake. Still he's ready to play for tomorrow's match. So the answer from Coach Shane. So I think he made a big mistake, but I don't bring that mistake as a big problem. The players, always developing and improving by mistakes, so I think he's going to play well for them.
Next match.
Selamat siang, saya Majid dari Tribunnews. Pertama mau tanya sama Coach Shin. Beberapa teman-teman menanyakan tentang kondisi pemain. Saya coba menanyakan kondisi dari Coach Shin sendiri bagaimana. Apakah dia dalam keadaan sehat atau seperti apa? Terlebih ini pertandingan yang sangat menentukan. Apakah Coach Shin juga sangat stres juga pada pertandingan ini? Bagaimana Coach Shin bisa memberikan arahan pertandingan? Dan kedua, Filipina dan Irak mempunyai materi permainan berbeda dan terlihat Irak sudah ada di atas dan lolos, sementara Filipina berada di bawah dan tidak lolos. Bagaimana dari Coach Shin sendiri memaintain para pemain agar tidak meremehkan Filipina pada laga nanti besok? Jadi terus juga lebih dari 50.000 penonton juga akan hadir melalui BRI. Terima kasih.
사실 감기 때문에 되어 계신 분들은 고생을 좀 하고 있고, 피시가 좀 심해서 고생을 하고 있습니다. 그리고 스트레스는 크게 받는 건 좀 없고요. 우리 선수들이 평상시대로 하던 대로 지금 하고 있으니까 크게 그냥 생각합니다. 경기는 이길 수도 있고 질 수도 있고 하지만 우리는 지금 134위에서 지금 이라크 58위라는 팀하고 대전하고 경기하면서 실증했지만 그런 부분에 있어서 저는 크게 계십니다. 우리는 앞으로도 올라갈 것이니까 그런 것을 우리 팀이 믿고 응원해서 좀 감사해서 우리 선수들도 그런 부분에 있어서 열심히 잘 준비하고 있으니까 저는 확실한 생각입니다.
Memang sekarang sakit sih tidak ada flu sedikit parah, mungkin masalah batuk aja ya sebenarnya, tetapi tidak dapat stres juga sih sebenarnya. Untuk pemain ya sama saja seperti biasa, dalam persiapan baik. Memang yang namanya pertandingan ya bisa menang bisa kalah, tetapi dengan kita di ranking 134 melawan Irak yang kita rankingnya 58, kita bisa memberikan yang terbaik juga, dan memang dari segi kemampuan ya sebenarnya tidak kalah jauh juga. untuk itu ya kita juga pasti akan meningkat terus. Jadi mohon dukungannya dari para fans all Indonesia. Dan untuk masalah seperti yang tadi disebut ya, pemain-pemain pun ya sadar dan dalam proses perbaikan.
The question from you. When people keep asking about the players' conditions, I'm curious about the head coach condition. Probably when you have lots of pressure and stress. So, what are the conditions? And then, Iraq is the first, the top of the table, and the Philippines is bottom of the table. But still, we can't ignore. It's like very dangerous to be ignored. So we still have the preparation. So how you have been leading the two nationals? So the answer from Coach Yu is that in terms of my condition, I think because of the full symptom, that bothers me. So the next month, the physical condition will drop a lot. But actually, I don't have any big stress, so you don't have to worry about it. And then the players, they've been doing very well, the same as usual. In terms of the football match, any teams we can win, we can lose. Regarding the last match against Iraq is in 58 in the FIFA ranking. We were in the 134, but still we have, we still showed a good performance. Equally, just that we considerably so the situation is a shame for me that we haven't kept developing, improving, so please support us. The players are doing well in the preparation, so please don't be worried about our preparation.
Terima kasih, saya Abdul Fisya dari saya. Ada dua pertanyaan. Pertanyaan pertama buat Persib. Bagaimana Persib melihat dan menganalisis Filipina yang wajah ini sekarang dengan sekolah baru, ada ada sinambung yang baru dan beberapa daerah. Bagaimana mengantisipasi wajah Filipina yang baru ini? For second reason, karena you score goal in Vietnam, but not yet in BBK. What are you feeling about tomorrow match? Thank you.
Feeling about tomorrow's match is that it for sure will be a tough game. Like I said before, I have the confidence that we as a team show ourselves tomorrow and we can win the game. And I hope for myself that I can make my first goal during the day. That will be a dream for me. But the most important thing for tomorrow is that we win the game and go through the game strong.
일단 베트남 게임들을 보면서 분석을 했고, 사실 뭐 특별하게 상대를 어떤 식으로 분석해야 되겠다 그래서 이 자리에서 얘기할 수 있는 부분은 아니지만 필리핀 팀을 분석을 끝내기 때문에 그렇게 걱정하시는 부분.
Kalau aku sih sudah menganalisa dengan nonton pertandingan Vietnam lawan Filipina. Memang di tempat ini ya aku sih tidak bisa bicara ya, maksudnya bagaimana posisi analisa lawan dan bagaimana kita mengantisipasinya. Tetapi yang penting tidak perlu khawatir karena sudah selesai analisa tim Filipina seperti apa.
Question for you. So, what about what is your opinion about the Philippines team? It seems like they've got almost a new squad. So how do you generalize them? How do you think they're for So answer from Coach Yu. We analyze the Philippines by the match when they play against Vietnam. So it is not appropriate to win tell you and inform you, how I prepare, how I analyze your points. So we do well analyzed, so you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, there's questions.
To Raka, karena the only winning game you got not in Indonesia, in Vietnam, and after that you scoreless, the team scoreless against Tanzania and Iraq. So what is the difficulties? Do you have some nervous because so many fans watching you, they are following you until the lobby soccer, that make you feel comfortable or not? So how you handle this?
First of all, I think against Tanzania, but especially the last game, we created a lot of chances. It's up to us to score the goals and finish the chances. But until now, it didn't succeed for me in Indonesia. But like I said, I hope tomorrow I can score my first goal and I can be important for the team. I think it's good to see that the fans are always there for us, supporting us, showing love for us. And we have to deal with this because we cannot ask them to stay away from us. Sometimes in certain areas or we are focused on the game, we cannot maybe give them the signature, the picture that they want, but in the end we always try our best to give something back to the fans.
Okay, thank you very much, Coach Raka.
Okay. Thank you.